going on, guys? My name's Levi Fortner. I'm with Excellence Realty, and today's showing begins with a love story. Just over 100 years ago, in the 1920s, a man by the name of Douglas began crafting this home for his beloved wife. With meticulous attention to detail, this home is constructed out of solid stone and granite brought over from England by boat. It's truly one-of-a-kind property featuring 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, and just over 6,500 square foot. We're located along Texar Bayou in the heart of Cordova Park. Welcome to 3260 Seville Drive.